The story continues. I'm in another airport. I'm going to visit my son in New Mexico. He is going to graduate school there, and we're going to have a great weekend. He's studying mass spectrometry and chromatography. Sound familiar? Yeah, it does. We have a lot in common. So my story in my book continues, and we're talking about my life and how everything that's happened to me has affected my life in the current day, like all of us, right? So we've talked about what did I read when I was 12, 15, 20, even into my 30s. Well, what did I read, let's say, between the ages of 35 to 45? I want to give it a theme. You guys have probably been hearing a theme of kind of what my fears are, and my fear is probably failure, right? And I like to win. And I've thought about that more, and it's not that I like to win. Now that I can really look back, I don't like to win. I like to compete. And I like to build things and rebuild things. So really, 35 to 45 was about rebuilding a business that was struggling in an economy. And so what I had to do, read books, read business books, read business books, put in place forecasting, put in place all these things that we had never put in place so we could predict the future and hopefully not let that happen again. So I told myself that was kind of my years of getting my MBA trial by fire. It was absolutely necessary. And we have still those metrics in place today that I put in place. What else was I rebuilding? Well, I was rebuilding a wrestling club that was shrinking. Somebody asked me to take it over, and at that point it had 16 wrestlers in it, right? And over the next 4 years, I built that club to almost over 100 kids. And it became, actually, what I've heard is the most popular youth sport in Moscow, Idaho. Very, very proud of that. What else was I rebuilding? So what I read? I was reading coaching books, building team books, motivating teams. And I'm coming up with a book and about that later on as well. What else was I rebuilding? I was rebuilding my marriage. My first marriage. I think God always has reconciliation and restoration in mind. So I was reading books about saving a marriage, saving relationships, how to be a better husband, a better dad, all these things that I was told I wasn't good at. So I thought, okay, well, I'll try to be better at them. Well, God has a great way of restoring everything. And he didn't restore that marriage for me, but he brought me even something more beautiful in my second marriage with my wife, Susie, now. And I tried, certainly. But that was those years, that decade, 35 to 45, rebuilding, if that was the one word. And fear of failure, but it motivated me to get better like it always does. And it launched me into my favorite next decade of 45 to 55. Stay tuned and never be outworked.